One thing that really we see very often in the product design and manufacturing space is the amount of potential for rework that we have in different design teams. For instance, we're making a product and we want to make one that's a bit bigger or a bit smaller or a different material, different finish. These things zap time when they really don't need to. For a few months now, Fusion 360 has had the ability to work with table-based configurations, allowing us to drive those parametrics that we saw way back in video 1, but via a table, meaning that we can configure several configurations which we can instantly change between. For example, in this cabinet, I can open my configuration tools and I can just double click any entry within the table to change the configuration. Fusion does this by having a configuration name that is linked to a different configuration within each of these individual parts. We set the configuration that we want to be linked in each part to drive them individually. It's really quick and easy to work with as well. So if I open up this individual door file, change the configuration in here to maybe have a 1000 by 600 door that is in oak as well as pine, we can simply come in and change. Helps if I spell it correctly. We can come in and change our configuration within the individual file to work with oak. All I need to do, check that works, and then save the file. Once the file is saved, Fusion 360 will do its parametric thing and update everything. So that if I now go back into my configurations at the assembly level, I could grab where that door is used, for example in the 1200 by 1000 configuration, and I could change that and have an oak door version. And then this door uses the oak configuration. Again, dependent on the complexity that you have and the type of model, some of these may take a couple of minutes to populate. But if I now go and have a look at what that's done, I now have my original customizations and configurations and my oak doors. It's that easy to start creating table-based configurations and driving them inside of Fusion 360. Again, remembering how accessible this is from a subscription perspective, how modern and easy this tool is to use, to start having some of the power that really high-end product design and manufacturing applications have that are 2, 3, 4, 5 times as much as this product. It really does outstand me. So this is fantastic. It's easy to use. You should check it out and have a go at those configurations today.